Okay, let's look at changing just the top section. That's going to cost you way less than half the cost of a new jacking beam. Let's get the front cover off so we can see what's inside. We've got a couple of circlips holding 2 pins in. This looks fairly straightforward, whilst we're also saving money. What joy. Let's just pop those pins out. That's that one. That's that one. Now there's a couple of little rollers in there. Let's grab those out. Now we should be able to lift that off. Yep, that's that one done. This jacking beam is made in 2011. It's been doing at least 100 MOTs a week. What's that? 5,000 MOTs a year for 14 years. 70,000 MOTs that's done, 70,000 lifts, not bad. Here's a new top. Let's pick that up. That's heavy. Pop it up there so it's resting. And we've got to put these little rollers in. So that other little guy. Come on, in you go. Let's get that pin back through there. Might give us half a chance pulling this one back through to follow it. Pop that in. Lovely. So all I've got left really, pop my circlips back on. It's got a new guard. I'll just get that out of the tin. It came with some new screws as well. Oh, new circlips as well. So that would go back on, fix onto the old one. That gets me to a place where I have beautiful wide jacking beam for much less than buying a whole new jacking beam. I do know from the guys at Majorlift that if you've got older jacking beams, you can send the whole beam to them. They'll check it over, give it a refurb, probably new seals and stuff, pop a new top on for you. Still cheaper than buying a whole jacking beam. So you've got options there. Do like Majorlift, British made, good guys. Hope that gives you an idea of a way you might be able to get your jacking beams really working well for electric cars. We do want to get away from that risk of jacking an electric car and damaging the battery. So that seems like a cost-effective solution. Remember, we're testers, you're testers. Let's stick together.